Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. Who's joining us this morning? It is Friday. Finally. Who is with me today? I am Corinne, your host for today's lesson. We are going to be making soap explode. So today is a great day. But first, we are going to play Spot the Quapple. I will put 30 seconds on the clock for everyone to try and find it. Let me know if you find it in the comments. The Quapple, of course, is our education logo. You can see it over there in the corner. It's the apple with the Quest Q in it. Hi, Seth. Good morning. Thanks for watching. About 10 seconds left. Let me know if you find the Quapple. It's somewhere in that picture. 5 seconds. Who can see it? All right. The answer, it is over there in the onion. I think that's an onion. We're able to see it. Don't worry if you didn't find it. I'll be playing this next week. And actually next week, it's going to get a little harder. So you're going to have to look really fast. And you have to be here right at 9:30 to play. So today, though, we are going to be making soap explode. So what are you going to need? You will need a bar of ivory soap. Of course, you need the soap to do the soap explosion. You'll need a bowl or plate and a microwave. It's pretty simple, but why is my soap going to explode? Well, that's because of Charles' law. Oh, the Hilliard kids found the Quapple. Good job, guys. And Charles' law says that as a gas heats up, it takes more space. So let's say that you had a balloon with gas particles in it. When it's warm, the gas particles move really fast, taking up more space. That's because of kinetic energy, or the energy you get in motion. When the balloon is colder, the particles move slower, which takes up less space, and that's why it shrinks. You know when you take your balloon inside or outside and it gets colder and it kind of gets wrinkly? Well, that's because of Charles' law. And since this ivory soap has a lot of air pockets and moisture, it's perfect for this demonstration. So let's see what happens when I put it in the microwave. You'll put it in for about 1.5 minutes to see what happens. And as the soap heats up, the moisture turns to gas, which expands. This pushes the solid part of the soap apart, creating the sculpture that we're seeing. And this happened so fast that I even had to stop my microwave before the 1.5 minutes was up because it was getting too big. It was going to fill up my whole microwave full of soap. So this sculpture, though, is still soap and will still wash your hands, but it's just missing its water because we heated it up and made it expand and disappear. And it's a little fragile, though, so when I pick it up, it gets pretty crumbly. But I can just put this plate right next to my sink and grab a chunk and wash my hands with it. Let's see this before and after, though, of what happened to my soap. It's pretty crazy that those little gas particles can have make it such a big difference when it comes to heat. I'll post the instructions to this lesson in the comments so that you can make your own soap sculptures at home this weekend. Make sure you send us your pictures if you're able to do so. This lesson smells really good once you heat up this soap. I'm just telling you. We hope you have a great weekend, though. I hope you've enjoyed Quest Bites this week, and we hope you'll join us for Magical Mondays with Jess. Until next time, continue onward in your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.